Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Fitous Thai Kitchen. So today we've got the second part of our green curry video. I will be showing you how to make your green curry. So last week we made the paste, today we'll make the curry. This is really easy and so good. So if that sounds good to you, stick around after this.
Okay, now we are ingredient done, the paste done, right? We're going to make the green curry, and the ingredient that's it: chicken, pea aubergine, eggplant, sweet basil, and long red chili or sweet chili, whatever you call. Okay, this one I slide this one first and soak in the water. If not, inside turn to black. And cut the aubergine into 4 pieces. And soak in the water I have prepared. If you like bamboo shoot, you can use bamboo shoot. Okay, ma. Oh, the ingredient I forgot. Yeah, we have another coconut milk. I forgot the coconut milk, the most important. Sorry, viewer. Okay. Okay, you can use a little bit of cooking oil and put coconut milk, a little bit of coconut milk, and you on just a medium heat, and put curry paste. Okay, and then you stir fry. You fry it with a medium heat and can reduce the coconut until the Okay, when this one reduced, you add a little bit more. Add a half teaspoon of coriander powder. Right. A little bit more coconut milk. You start to get smell. Yeah, you can get more green. You know why we call Kang Khieu Wan? Khieu is green, Wan is sweet, but the taste a little bit sweeter than the other curry. A little bit more coconut milk. น้ำเดือดเลยแป๊ด Okay, now coconut milk reduced, you get a nice smell from curry paste. Then you put the chicken, 300 grams of chicken breast. Okay, if you want more color, you can put a little bit of turmeric powder. Okay, we put palm sugar. The one piece, I don't know, about 10-20 milligram. And fish sauce, about 3 spoons of fish sauce. Add a little bit more water and then just leave it. Make it boil, slowly cook until the curry paste or the taste absorb to the chicken. I add a little bit more of fish sauce. And you want me to put chicken powder? Yeah, chicken seasoning chicken. Yeah. I put a little bit of seasoning chicken. Now we got the taste we want, and the chicken cook. Okay, now we put aubergine. If you want aubergine become crunchy, after put, just wait for this one boil and off the gas. That's it. Okay, put the basil and sweet chilli. Okay, and off the gas. That's it.
Right, so let's try this curry. Bit of rice. So I'm eating with rice. It smells great. But a lot of Thai people like to eat with these white noodles, which are called khanom jin. They tend to eat green curry more so with that. Oh, it's good. Have a kick. Creamy. Nice crunch in the aubergines. Especially the pea aubergines. So this is really, really good. The colour just looks vibrant and fresh. Alright guys, so hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you again next week. I think we're gonna be staying on this green curry paste. So we'll be having another dish for you next week whereby you can use your green curry paste. Alright, so stay tuned for that. So we'll see you next week. Take care now. Bye.